Elon Musk has bizarre rules and regulations that his employees must follow. Tesla is a vast and diversified workforce organization, and it is no secret that to lead such a large and diverse workforce, you must be the greatest. Whatever your feelings about Elon Musk, he is without a doubt one of America's most visionary corporate executives, and every visionary has their own set of rules. They can be erratic or reasonable. Curious to know more about these rules? Let's find out. Welcome to Futured. Today, we'll share Elon Musk's crazy rules that he forces his employees to follow. Before we do, subscribe to our channel to get updated with everything on future technology, Elon Musk or SpaceX. Let's get started. Elon Musk is the world's richest multi-billionaire businessman and inventor. He is the CEO of multi-billion-dollar companies such as Tesla, SpaceX, and The Boring Company. He made the electric car a cool product that people wanted to purchase, and in the process, he made Tesla one of the most valuable corporations on the planet. Tesla alone employs over 90,000 people, and it is no secret that you have to be the best of the best to work there. It must be an enormous task to lead such a large and diverse workforce, but Musk manages to get the best out of Tesla employees and even earn their respect. Join us as we investigate the stringent rules that Musk imposes on Tesla staff. Musk is a master of time management. This is why he is capable of doing so much in the same 24 hours that everyone else has. He divides his day into 5-minute segments in which he attempts to fulfill duties for a man in charge of multiple high-pressure enterprises. To gain a sense of his tasks, it's vital to address concerns swiftly and efficiently. In a day's work at Tesla, Musk oversees the approval process he implemented in 2018 for any expenditures exceeding $1 million. He gives final approval before the project can move forward. For a company the size of Tesla, with many contractors, subcontractors, suppliers, and production partners, this means a lot of work for Musk, who, despite his efficiency with time, is known for not sparing himself as a self-proclaimed workaholic. He works long hours on a regular basis, putting in over 100 hours per week, and to save time, sleeping on the factory floor or in the conference room. He does this especially when there are deadlines to meet. When Tesla tried to scale up Model 3 manufacturing, he referred to it as production hell. While Musk makes the main decisions, his workers do a lot of the grunt labor, which Musk respects and compensates for. He frequently praises his team, including pointing out ideas that didn't come from him for their hard work. It's neither strange nor unfair that he holds Tesla employees to the same high standards. To ensure that his employees deliver at their best, Musk has a set of strict rules that they must follow. Would you like to work in Tesla despite its strict rules? We'll let you decide as we go through each of them. The majority of the regulations were stated out in an email addressed by Musk to all Tesla employees. Keep in mind that Musk has a reputation for being harsh with employees who do not match his standards, so consider twice before accepting a Tesla job offer. But you'll notice that his principles concentrate around two primary points: efficiency and common sense, both of which are essential for any organization to succeed. So contrary to popular belief, Musk is neither absurd nor difficult. In contrast to the totalitarian image he seems to create, Musk offers his staff leeway in fulfilling their responsibilities. So let's start with Musk's first guideline for Tesla employees. Rule number 1: large format meetings aren't required. You've definitely been in meetings where you've wondered what you were doing there. It happens everywhere from huge firms to startups as they try to involve every department but wind up wasting everyone's time. However, it doesn't happen at Tesla since Elon opposes it. Even when everyone must be present, he particularly advises his employees to cut out or hold huge conferences unless they are of benefit to the entire audience. Musk wants to keep the meeting to a bare minimum. Rule number 2: only meet frequently if the matter is urgent. As Musk is a stickler for efficiency, he sees no reason for his team to hold meetings on a regular basis. Meeting frequency should decline swiftly once the urgent situation is settled and if it isn't worth it. Rule number 3: if you don't think you're needed in a meeting, leave. For Musk, there is no reason you should be away from your desk in a meeting you don't have to be in. If this has happened to you before and you realize how much work you could have done back at your desk, the fear of upsetting your superiors may have kept you glued to your seat. This is not how Musk wants Tesla to operate. He grants his staff permission to leave meetings and work on things that would help Tesla advance. As soon as it's clear you're not bringing value, he asks you to walk out of a meeting or hang up on the phone. It is impolite to make someone stay and waste their time and force them not to leave. Musk, as the CEO of a huge production organization, relies on his subordinates for a lot of information in order to make such judgments. Rule number 4: to avoid employing jargon that is difficult to understand. Tesla staff are expected to communicate in the clearest language possible. Musk dislikes acronyms and nonsensical terminology for products, software, and processes, preferring instead to call it what it is and avoid having to explain yourself, which he believes impedes communication. Tesla employees shouldn't have to memorize a specific vocabulary to do their jobs, Musk once joked. Rule number 5. To get rid of the hierarchy. Communication with the hierarchy is still ongoing. Employees are expected to defer to convoluted chains of command in large firms. The problem of such a hierarchy is that communication takes a long time to reach its goal as it moves up from one desk to another. At Tesla, though, Musk expects communication to take the fastest route to completion. He is adamant about this, warning that any manager who tries to impose a communication chain of command will soon find themselves out of a job. This means you won't be questioned if you call a colleague in another department to collaborate on a task without going through the department head. You could theoretically also walk up to Musk himself and present your case to him directly, as the CEO believes work gets done faster that way. In a factory tour video, you can see Musk make production decisions on the spot when approached by his team as he guides visitors around. You could argue that this is why his companies tend to outperform dinosaurs in areas where everything is likely processed through a chain of command. Remember the guideline about being able to withdraw from meetings if you are not needed. Rule number 6. Don't follow foolish rules. Despite the fact that Musk appears to approve all corporate regulations, you are free to disregard those that you believe are impractical under the circumstances. He wants common sense to be your constant companion. He believes so. In general, use your common sense to guide you. If observing a business rule is clearly absurd in a certain context, the rule should be changed. With this, Musk transforms Tesla employees from zombies who simply follow the rules to intelligent beings who make decisions on the job. Employees must be able to judge when breaking the rules is in the best interests of Tesla. Now you can see why Musk only hires the finest for Tesla. He wants people he can trust to make judgments. A word of caution: if you can't defend why you broke a corporate regulation when it's essential, Musk will show you the door in the blink of an eye. The last guideline is accompanied by a warning, so Tesla employees should take it seriously. Rule number 7. Don't provide anything to the press. Tesla employees are not authorized to disclose information to the press under any circumstances. And while Musk frequently discusses his company's ideas and projects on social media, mainly Twitter, his employees do not have the same privilege. If you can follow and live by these rules, you can thrive at Tesla. He vows to terminate the contract of anyone who breaks it, and even go so far as to seek damages and file charges in court. So what do you think of Elon Musk's strict rules for his employees at Tesla? Do you think this is why the company is what it is today? Or are they a tad bit too strict? Let us know in the comments below. That's all for now. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get updated with everything on future technology, Elon Musk, or SpaceX. Thank you for watching.